On every cruise, there is one place you cannot resist: the buffet. If you enjoy practical cruise tips, subscribe to Cruise Adventure. Fast, convenient, and overflowing with choices, the buffet is both a blessing and a trap. Lines form in minutes, tables vanish, and shared utensils tend to spread more than sauce. Make a few easy mistakes, and your first meal at sea can feel like a chore instead of a treat. In this guide, you will learn the 15 buffet mistakes that trip up even seasoned travelers and the simple moves that prevent them. You will see how to dodge embarkation day chaos, time your visits for calm, build small tastings instead of one mountain plate, and keep things sanitary for yourself and everyone around you. Along the way, we will cover the etiquette that keeps the mood friendly and the service smooth. And yes, licking the ice cream scoop and putting it back is never okay. Take a breath, grab some hand sanitizer, and come with me. By the end, you will know how to enjoy every bite without stress or regret. Number 15. Not acknowledging the staff's hard work. Behind every full tray and spotless table, there is a crew working long hours far from home. Chefs prep around the clock. Stewards wipe and reset tables in seconds. Food runners restock stations before you even notice they are low. It is easy to glide past this invisible effort and treat people like part of the furniture. That is the mistake. Do the opposite. Make eye contact. Say thank you. Use their names when you can. If a server saves your meal with a quick fix, let a supervisor know or mention them in the end of cruise survey. Consider a small extra tip when allowed. Be tidy and stack plates to help the flow. Kindness is noticed at sea. Friendly guests are often seated faster, find refills appear without asking, and receive those little touches that turn a meal into a memory. Number 14. Getting lost in the buffet maze. You step out for one more scoop and return to a sea of identical tables. Your plate cools while you circle like a tender boat with no dock. Prevent the panic before it starts. Pick a landmark the moment you sit down. The pasta show station, the big floral column, the window with the lifeboat view. Say it in your head like a street address. Snap a quick photo of your table and the nearest station sign if the ship uses section names or numbers. Choose an aisle to stick to when you walk out and come back on the same side. If you are with family, agree on a clear rally point near the entrance. Landmarks turn a maze into a map. Less wandering means warmer food and calmer nerves. Number 13. Leaving belongings to reserve a table. Finding a free table can feel like discovering treasure. That does not make it your private island. Leaving bags and hats to stake a claim is risky and rude. Crew may clear them so others can sit. Other guests may hand them to lost and found. Valuables can vanish. Use the buddy system instead. One person stays while the others make a food run. If you are solo, take only essentials and ask a server politely to watch your spot for a minute. Keep phones, passports, and wallets on you or locked in the cabin. High turnover is the norm in the buffet. Share the space, and you will find others do the same for you. Number 12. Forgetting the drink before serving your food. Nothing spoils a perfect plate like a desert dry throat and a round trip to the drink station. Cruise veterans plan the order. Sanitize. Grab a drink. Then hunt for food. Many buffets place beverage stations near the entrance. Stop there first and claim a water, soda, tea, or coffee. Pick up napkins and cutlery while you are at it. Bring a reusable bottle if you like to sip slowly. You will avoid juggling plates and cups, cut down on spills, and sit sooner with everything you need. Smart sequence. Fewer steps. Hot food that stays hot. Number 11. Skipping desserts to save calories. You pass the pastry case and try to be strong. Then a glossy chocolate cake calls your name. Cruise pastry chefs are artists. Many desserts appear only once, then vanish for the rest of the voyage. Do not punish yourself. Be strategic. Ask for small slices of 2 or 3 options instead of one giant wedge. Share if you want to sample more without overload. Pair indulgence with balance. Choose roasted vegetables or a light main, then say yes to a petite sweet. Look for fruit coulis, sugar-free options, or mini tarts when available. Savor slowly. One thoughtful dessert you love beats 3 you barely taste. This is vacation. Enjoy it with intention, not guilt. Number 10. Walking into the buffet while still wet from the pool. Nothing kills an appetite faster than water dripping across the salad bar. Most ships require a dry shirt and shoes in dining areas for safety and sanitation. Plan ahead. Keep a thin t-shirt and sandals in your pool bag. Towel off fully before you step inside. If you prefer to stay in swimwear, ask for takeout containers and enjoy your meal on deck instead. Dry guests move faster through the line, avoid slips, and keep the space pleasant for everyone. You will eat better and get fewer side glances. Number 9. Eating like you are being chased. You are on vacation, not in a speed contest. Wolfing down food on a moving ship invites indigestion and regret. Slow the pace. Sit, breathe, and take a sip between bites. Put the fork down now and then. Chat with your table. Watch the room. The buffet is prime people watching, and the kitchen often releases short-run dishes during service. Give yourself space, and you will notice a fresh batch of lasagna or a surprise dessert you would have missed at sprint speed. Stopping at content, not stuffed, is the smartest move of all. Number 8. Going during peak hours. At noon on a sea day, the buffet can feel like a holiday crowd. Lines blend, tables vanish, and patience thins. Shift your timing, and the same food becomes a calm experience. Aim for early lunch around 11:30 or late lunch after 1:30. For dinner, try 5:30 or after 8. On port days with early excursions, consider room service breakfast and enjoy a quiet bite while others queue. Check the daily schedule for venue opening times and secondary spots like the grill or pizza counter. Smart timing is the best line you will never stand in. Number 7. Ignoring buffet etiquette. A buffet works when everyone shares the space with care. Do not cut the line even if your section moves slower. Step aside to decide what you want, so others can reach the trays. Use a clean plate every time you return. That helps hygiene and keeps flavors fresh. Keep children close to you at the stations and help them with hot items. Use the tongs and ladles only for the dish they belong to. If a utensil falls, tell a crew member rather than placing it back. Wipe small spills with a napkin or alert staff so they can clean quickly. When you finish eating, stack your plates, toss napkins, and free the table. Do not camp for games while others search for a seat. Courteous guests set the tone for the whole room. Number 6. Forgetting healthy options exist. The comfort food calls loudly, but the buffet hides plenty of balance. Start with a small salad or a bowl of broth to warm up. Add roasted vegetables, fresh fruit, and lean proteins like grilled chicken or carved turkey. Look for steamed fish, brown rice, and beans. At breakfast, try Greek yogurt with seeds and berries, or oatmeal with nuts and sliced fruit. Ask for eggs cooked to order so you can skip heavy oils. Choose one rich item that truly excites you and pair it with 2 lighter sides. Drink water with your meal and keep soda or cocktails as a treat. You will feel better by day 5 and still enjoy the flavors you came for. Number 5. Not disclosing food allergies. Allergies and intolerances need clear communication at sea. Tell the cruise line before you sail, so notes are on your reservation. Once on board, ask to speak with a supervisor or chef rather than only the line cook at a station. Explain your allergens and ask about cross-contamination. Many ships can prepare a separate plate in a clean area with dedicated utensils. Read labels on sauces and dressings, and be cautious with mixed dishes like stews and stir-fries. When in doubt, choose made-to-order stations or the main dining room where the kitchen can control ingredients. Carry your medication and an allergy card that lists what you must avoid. Your goal is simple: eat well and stay safe. Number 4. Stopping at the first station. The first trays tempt you because they are closest. Resist. Walk the full loop before you commit. Note the carving board, the made-to-order pasta, the wok corner, the taco bar, and any daily features tucked at the ends. Some ships rotate signature items by station and time, so a quick scan can reveal the real gems. Ask a crew member what is new today, or what just came out of the kitchen. Plan your route after you have seen it all. You will build a plate you love instead of a plate you regret. Number 3. Skipping the hand sanitizer. A buffet means shared handles and tongs. Germs travel fast in that environment. Make it a habit to wash or sanitize before you touch any utensil. Do not use fingers to grab bread or fruit. Use a fresh plate each round and a clean cup for refills if self-service is required. Avoid touching your face while you are in line. If you cough or sneeze, step away and mask with your elbow, then sanitize again. If you see a messy area or a used utensil in the wrong pan, tell the staff. Small hygiene choices protect your trip and everyone else on board. Number 2. Piling your plate like it is the Last Supper. All you can eat does not mean all at once. Build a tasting round. 2 bites of 3 or 4 things that look best. Sit, taste, then return only for the winners. Avoid mixing strong sauces that clash. Keep hot items together so they stay warm, and leave space so food does not steam into mush. If a tray is almost empty, wait for the fresh batch rather than forcing a scoop of leftovers. Starting with protein and vegetables helps you enjoy dessert without a crash. You will waste less and enjoy more. Number 1. Hitting the buffet on embarkation day. Boarding day turns the buffet into a traffic jam. Luggage in aisles, families scouting seats, lines that do not move. Choose calm over chaos. Check if the main dining room serves lunch on day 1. Many ships offer a quiet sit-down menu with better pacing. Scout the poolside grill or the pizza counter, which often stay less crowded. Some specialty restaurants run first-day deals. If your travel timing allows, eat a light meal before you board and explore the ship instead. Your turn. What has been your best or worst buffet moment at sea? Share it in the comments so other travelers can learn from it and maybe laugh with you. If these tips helped you, please subscribe to Cruise Adventure and hit the bell so you never miss our next guide.